Hello, hello. I'm Linda Waterhouse of Linda Waterhouse Consulting, lindawaterhouse.com, and today I'm going to be showing you a LinkedIn tip. The tip today is how to improve your newsfeed. And there are a number of ways to improve your newsfeed, but today we're going to do it by showing you how to follow or unfollow particular hashtags. So let me share my screen and we will get right onto it. We will go to our LinkedIn newsfeed. And when you scroll down, if you're not here, you can click on home and that will bring you right here to your newsfeed. So then you want to click, scroll down, and down here, you will see followed hashtags and you want to click on discover more. So LinkedIn will customize the things that show up in your newsfeed based on many things. A little bit like Facebook, where the people that you follow and comment, their posts will show up more. LinkedIn also has the concept of following hashtags. So when people post content with these hashtags, it's more likely to show up in your newsfeed. So right now I'm following 20 hashtags. So that means that content that have these 20 hashtags are more likely to show up in my newsfeed. Now say that I want to add something else. So I can click on Follow Fresh Perspectives, and it will give me a number of hashtags that, based on my use and things that I follow, that LinkedIn thinks that I might be interested in. So one of the things is Tech That Matters. I think tech is really cool, and they have an awful lot of really cool things. So Tech That Matters right now has 26,000 followers. So if we want to find other hashtags, we can click on the Follow Fresh Perspectives. And LinkedIn will give us some examples based on the other things that we are interested in. So say I want to follow things that have social media. So I can easily click follow. If I want to change my mind, I can click unfollow. We can also follow certain people, we can follow companies, and we can also follow hashtags. So because I have clicked on COVID-19, the hashtag, that means that I will be getting more posts in my newsfeed that have the hashtag COVID-19. And if I get sick of it, I can just come here and click on following and it will unfollow me. I hope you have found this helpful and that you can help improve your newsfeed to show things that you're really interested in. My name is Linda Waterhouse, and please visit lindawaterhouse.com for more free resources. Thank you.